Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO Junior set 10679, and it's the Pirate Treasure Hunt from 2015 to 2016. As you can see, this is the box. Now I'm going to show you the set. As you can see, you get this beautiful shark. His mouth opens and closes, and as you can see, I've got the oars down of the pirate's rowing boat, and there's a barrel where the pirate puts his extra weapons, and he can put the oars of the boat. And also you get this beautiful pirate flag with a skull and crossbones, and you get this beautiful skeleton minifigure with his pirate bandana and also his pirate gun. And you get this beautiful fern piece that looks like a small palm tree, and you get this beautiful blue gem piece, and also you get this beautiful black treasure chest with treasure in, and the window of the building can open and close. See, as you can see, this looks like an old ruin of a castle, and the pirate has his treasure map in his hand, and he's got his sword in the other hand and his beautiful pirate hat. See, as you can see, I made it look like they're in the middle of the sea. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.